Do you like this boy?
Yes, sir.
Do you like her?
Yes, sir.
You are ready to marry her?
Yes, sir.
No fornication, but study each other. Jeba, Noreba.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to Adadiche TV. Guys, this is Evang Ebuka Obi with those guys that find a wife. Guys, watch this video to the end. See how this guy find a wife in Zion. You see what God have used in Ebuka doing, creating a wife opportunity and husband opportunity in the Zion. See, it is going on right now. You guys can see during the single program. So this is where our brother finds his wife and a lot of them. So watch the video and see how it goes. So I said let me bring it and just refresh your memory. What happened last month when they did a single lady program. So watch this video how this guy find this lady, and inside this video, but they say like was saying is his wife. He wanted to marry him. You know, he's a funny guy now. He said, he's a funny man. He's just a comedian. So watch and listen what they talk. So this video make you amazing, and also share this video. Watch to the end. Don't watch alone, please. Share the video and see how God have been using my brother Evang Ebuka Obi doing in the life of youths, young girls, young boys, and our marriages. So let's watch the video. I'll be back.
Put your hands together for Holy Ghost.
So guys, they are coming one after the other. This is those that finds a woman or those that find a man during the single program. So Evangelist Ebuka, our prophet of our own time, called them out. You can see a lot of jubilation, a lot of happiness. You can see what God have been doing in Zion ministry to Evangelist Ebuka Obi, our own brother, my own brother, go. So you can see the ladies and the men, all of them are happy. So they are coming. This is those people that find girl or a woman or a lady in the program, and let's listen what they have to tell us here.
Where do you come from?
Imo State.
I know everywhere. So far, no wine. Where do you meet yourself?
Zion.
When? Today.
Yes, sir.
Around what time?
Daddy, I'm ready for marriage. Disappointment is following me too much. Daddy, I've been praying for God for you to locate me. Daddy, help.
Get on the Do you like this boy?
Yes, sir.
Do you like her?
Yes, sir.
You are ready to marry her?
Yes, sir.
No fornication, but study each other. Jeba, Noreba. I will not see people. I will not see people. When do you know yourself? Huh?
Yeah, actually.
You know yourself, yeah. Huh?
During break.
During break. It's too quick to be doing something on the road. It's too quick. Huh?
What are you doing?
Lechon. Why are you also lying to me? Huh? It's too early. You met somebody today. You are trying to corner her at the back of the motor. It's too early. Which state do you come from?
Anambra State.
Where do you come from?
Anambra.
Oh, you hate your man. What do you do? Huh? You uncle?
I'm a dentist.
Do you like her? Huh?
Yeah, I do.
Two of you who approach each other. Huh?
I did.
Just take it easy. If two of you are meant to be, have fun. God bless you. You know I like you too much. And you know I like you. God bless you of you.
One thing I like Evang Ebuka Obi because it's just straightforward. You can see how they are coming out one after the other. And they will tell you the truth. They tell you how it is. So that is why I love him so much. So what about you? What are you saying? What are you saying about this video? So right now, let us hear what he's going to ask these people.
Okay, go there and stay. You met yourself where?
Yeah, during break time.
During break, nah, get me a map on a break time, Which state do you come from?
Enugu State.
Imo State. Who approached each other?
Him.
What did he say to you?
Have I found the phone? I said no.
He said what?
I said no, sir.
What did he ask you?
If I've seen the person, I said no, sir.
Awebia.
Yes, sir.
You will lay Yanya.
Yes, sir.
You will see again.
He's okay, sir.
Otobuele mahalo mahalo. Ngwajene eba Enugu ni Imo. Amen. Now where do you come from?
Enugu State.
Sister, where do you come from?
Enugu.
Where do you meet yourself? Huh?
Zion.
Zion here.
Yes.
When? Today. And Akukwa Keba. Have you seen my beautiful baby?
Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, yeah, baby, somebody that will be temper. Ada, baby, na sugar, sugar. Yo,
What I can think of, I'm going to mahalo.
ada, yo.
Who today, around what time the two of you get to meet each other?
Around 2.
2.
Around 12, approximately.
Huh?
After 12,
Who walk to each other?
we were sitting together.
You are sitting together. Who initiated the discussion? Huh?
Me.
What did you know? How do you initiated the discussion?
I was just asking him something.
Huh?
I was just asking him something.
What were you asking him?
I can't really remember, but I literally asked him to get me something outside when he was going out.
Hey, whoa. Did you like him?
I like him.
Did you like her?
Yes, sir.
Nke ọbara ka ọ bụ na ọbara. Ọbara aba. No fornication. Study yourself for final confirmation. But I see it as something that will work. Go there, yeah, jide aka ebe a.
Ada no dey like,
Weta nụ ndị na-agba egwu.
Imante,
Gbaa ya agba.
searching for you. What a magadam male, magadam
Aha okubere. Wepụ aka n'ukwu. Wepụ aka n'ukwu.
ya bụ ihe siri ike. Ugoro matata, aduro makata, ọmata makata, aduro makata, ado yibo, igemo yibo, mata makata,
Ngwa chere nụ. You have never started anything. Ị na-ejide ukwu aka. Eh?
Sorry.
Where do you meet yourself? Eh?
Zion.
Zion. Which time?
That was Wednesday.
Wednesday last week. Fine. Who is the first person that approached each other? Eh?
I'm the one.
You like her?
Yes, sir.
Which state do you come from?
I'm from Ebony State.
Ishe.
Ishiagu.
Where do you come from?
Imo State.
Anyị nwa bụ ebe ụzọ dị anyị abanye. Ngwa bịa. Stay here. Nọrọ na line. You like her? Eh?
Yes, sir.
You like him?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for the living?
I'm a chartered accountant by profession.
Chartered accountant. What do you do?
I just finished my school.
You just finished your school.
Wow, wow, wow. So interesting. So interesting. Guys, please follow this page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, adadichevlogstv. If this video make you amazing, if you like this video, please drop your comments. And if you are a single person, you're a man or woman that we are not yet married, please, this is your opportunity to claim this marriage things. Opportunity to claim this, because whatever you believe work for you. You can see how they believe and trusted in God, and they find a wife and they find a husband. I pray that this union, as they are going to learn for each other, I pray that God will help them so that the marriage will work. They will still come back here and testify what God have used our brother Evangelist Ebuka do it in their life. So just claim it. If you're a single woman, lady here, please claim what is going on here. If you're a single man, also claim it and it will work for you. The gods that work in Zion ministry will locate you, okay? So just believe and trust in God, and trust in the God that work in Zion ministry, and the God that's using Evangelist Ebuka to liberate people from many things. You can see that God have used him to create marriage and wife opportunity, and people are enjoying it and getting what they want. So a lot of people have been looking for wife, a lot of people have been looking for man, a husband, and they are not seeing, and that is their prayer point. You can see that God have used our brother to make this happen. So please help me share this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.